How to change your Discover Bank online banking password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily change your Discover Bank online banking password. So first thing first, just head over to the discover.com on any web browser and you should land on this page over here, and you just have to tap on this login button over here. And since you forget your password, and then you can just tap on this link which has been provided to you, that is forget user ID or password. So just tap on that and it will take you to this page. And from over here, you just have to choose the accounts in which you require to reset your password, or in which you forget your password or user ID. So in this case, let's say my mobile banking. So I'll simply tap on this mobile banking forget password button over here, and which will take you to this page. And you just have to follow the on-screen instructions, which are at least of step 3. And currently it's asking you to provide your date of birth as well as your social security number and your mother's maiden name, and simply click on continue. And just re-log into your account and click on account profile from the menu at the top of the page on account page. And on the account page, find and click the edit button located under the account information section. You will be redirected to a page where you can create a new and secure password. So follow any on-screen criteria to ensure it meets the security requirements, and re-enter your new password and click the confirmation button to complete the process. Your new password will not expire. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.